Hello student, now see the some more question of the exercise 5.5. Already I have explained up to the question number 12. Question number 14 you will see this is the rectangular field. This is the rectangular field. This length is 10, this length is 10 meter, this length is 16 meter, correct? Uniform walk is given around this field. This width is the x meter, correct? Or area of walk is given 120. Area, this is the suppose rectangle A, B, C, D, original rectangle, or then with the walk, new rectangle is P, Q, R, S. The area of walk equal to area of rectangle P, Q, R, S minus area of rectangle A, B, C, D. So, recording question. Area of rectangle. So what is the length of the PQs? 16 plus 2x. X is here, x is here. 2x or plus 16. Same way, 10 plus 2x. So 16 plus 2x. 10 plus 2x minus 16 into 10, or it is given equal to 120. Now you will multiply 16 into 10 plus 32x plus 20x plus 4x square minus 16 into 10 equal to 120. This and this cancel. 4x square plus 50. 2x minus 120 equal to 0. Both sides are divided by, first you see, both sides are divided by 4. Then you will get x square plus 13x minus 30 equal to 0. You will factorize. So 15 into 2, you will get x plus 15 or x minus 2 equal to 0. The x equal to minus 15 not consider, or x equal to 2. This is your x. So width of walk is 2 meter. Now in the same way you will try 15, 16. If you are getting problem, you can ask. You will see the question number 20. The hypotenuse of grassy land in shape of the right angle triangle. This is given in the right angle triangle. This is the grassy land. Or here if condition is given, hypotenuse of grassy land in shape of right angle is 1 meter more than the twice the shorter side. We suppose this is the shorter side. So 1 twice of the shorter side 2x plus 1. This is hypotenuse. And third side 7 meter more than the shorter side. So this is shorter side x. So this side will be x plus 7. So now according question, what will be here? X square plus x plus 7 whole square equal to 2x plus 1 whole square. You simplify, you can get this solution. The x square plus 14x plus 49 equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So here 0. This x square, 2x square, 4x square minus 2x square, 2x square. Or this will be 4x minus 14x, 10x, or then it will be minus 49 plus 1 minus 48. Then you simplify, both sides are divided by 2, then you can get x square minus 5x minus 24 equal to 0. Yes. Then after simplification, what you will get? X 8 3 is 24, x minus 8 or x plus 3 equal to 0. This factorization you will get. The x equal to 8 or x equal to minus 3. No, this will be not considered because length is never negative. Correct? X equal to 8. So, what is asking here? Find the sides of grassy land. So, what will be sides? So, sides are, this will be x, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, or 8 to 16, 17. This is the sides, or this is the hypotenuse. Now, question number 22. In a PT display, 400 students are arranged in a row. Clear? Row and column. If there are the 4 more students in each row, then number of rows, if there are 4 more students in each row, then the number of rows. तो हर रो अगर नंबर ऑफ रोज कितना है x है, और तो हर एक रो में कितने स्टूडेंट होंगे x plus 4. This is the question. So there are let number of row equal to x. So number of student in each row equal to x plus 4. Regarding question, what will be total number of student? X into x plus 4, or this is given equal to 480. This is clear? So x square plus 4x minus 480 equal to 0. So you will factorize x plus 24 or x minus 20 equal to 0. So x minus 24 it will not consider, or x equal to 20 it will be considered. So how many rows are there? 20 rows. How many students in each row? 24 students. So number of students in each row. Number of student in each row equal to 24. X plus 4, so 20 plus 4, 24. Okay? Yes. Now see the question number 24. One more question. Then you will try. If you are getting any doubt, you can ask. At an annual function of a school, each student gives gift to every other student. If number of gift is 1980, find the number of student. भाई कोई भी स्टूडेंट होगा अपने लिए गिफ्ट तो खरीदेगा नहीं. इट मीन्स दैट पर्सन विल बी परचेज द गिफ्ट फॉर अदर्स. इफ देयर आर सपोज 10 स्टूडेंट, तो ईच पर्सन विल परचेज द 9 गिफ्ट. because any person will not purchase a gift for himself. So let number of student equal to x. So number of gift purchased by each student equal to x minus 1. एक कम recording question, x into x minus 1 equal to 1980 implies that x square minus x minus 1980 equal to 0. Then you factorize and get the solution. Okay, we'll factorize. So it will be 45 and 40. If you multiply, you will get 1980 and the difference will be minus 1. X square minus 45x plus 44 minus 1980 equal to 0. Then you will get x minus 45 or x plus 44 equal to 0. So x equal to 45, this will be considered. Here it will become negative, will not consider. Not consider. Correct? So number of student will be 45 or number of gift purchased by the each student will be 44. What will be the answer? The number of students equal to 45. Now it is clear. So in this way you will try to solve this exercise. Then tomorrow I will explain other remaining questions. If you have doubt, you can ask also.